Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Map to your HubSpot content. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and go to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of your content management tools. After you've logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From here, click on Content. This will expand a submenu showing you different types of content you can work with. You'll see options like website page and landing page. For this tutorial, I'm going to click on landing page, but keep in mind that these steps work the same way if you're editing a website page instead. Once you're in the landing pages section, you'll see a list of all your existing landing pages. Find the specific landing page where you want to add the Google Map and click on its name. This will open up the page editor where you can make changes to the layout and content. Now that you're in the page editor, look at the left side of the screen again. You'll notice a plus icon. Click on this icon to bring up the content modules you can add to your page. This is where you'll find all the different elements you can drag and drop onto your landing page. In the search bar that appears, type in rich text. This will filter the modules and show you the rich text module. Once you see it, drag the rich text module to the spot on your page where you want the map to appear. The rich text module is perfect for this because it allows you to add custom HTML code. After you've placed the rich text module, stay on the left side panel and click on Advanced. This will reveal additional options for customizing the module. From these options, click on Source Code. This opens up the HTML editor where you can paste custom code, which is exactly what you need to embed a Google Map. Now it's time to get the map code from Google. Open a new tab in your browser and go to Google Maps. In the search bar, type in the location you want to display on your HubSpot page. Once you've found the correct location on the map, look for the Share button and click on it. This will open a menu with different sharing options. In the sharing menu, you'll see an option that says Embed a Map. Click on that option to access the HTML code for the map. You'll then see a box containing the embed code. Click on Copy HTML to copy the code to your clipboard. This code is what allows the map to display properly on your HubSpot page. Head back to your HubSpot tab where you still have the source code editor open. Paste the HTML code you just copied from Google Maps into the source code field. Once you've pasted it, click Save Changes. HubSpot will process the code and display the Google Map in the rich text module you placed earlier. And that's it. You've successfully added a Google Map to your HubSpot landing page, making it easy for visitors to find your location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.